Welcome to this video. We're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of woodworking shed plans. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman with years of experience or just starting out, building your own dedicated workshop is a game changer. It's a space where you can let your creativity flow, hone your skills, and bring your woodworking dreams to life. Get ready to discover how a dedicated workshop can transform your woodworking experience. Before you break ground on your woodworking shed, careful planning is essential for a successful and functional workshop. We'll discuss key considerations like the size of your shed. Will you need room for large projects, or is a smaller space sufficient? Next, we'll delve into layout. How will you arrange your workbench, storage areas, and tools for optimal workflow? Finally, we'll explore essential features you need, including ample workbench space for your projects, efficient storage for your tools and materials, and adequate lighting to illuminate your workspace. Now that you've envisioned your dream workshop, let's dive into the world of woodworking shed plans. There's a wide range of designs available, from simple and straightforward to more complex structures. We'll explore different options, helping you choose the plan that best fits your needs and skill level. Consider your woodworking experience. Are you a seasoned craftsman or just starting out? Your budget is another important factor. Finally, think about the features you want in your workshop, such as windows for natural light, electricity, or even a loft for storage. Now it's time to get our hands dirty and build your dream woodworking shed. We'll guide you through the entire construction process, step by step, starting with the foundation. We'll cover everything from laying the foundation to framing the walls, installing the roof, and adding finishing touches. Along the way, we'll share essential tips and tricks to ensure your shed is sturdy, functional, and built to last. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a beginner, we'll equip you with the knowledge and confidence to tackle this project. Congratulations! With your dream woodworking shed complete, it's time to unleash your creativity and start crafting. We'll share some inspiring woodworking projects to get your ideas flowing. From building furniture to intricate carvings, the possibilities are endless. Your dedicated workshop is now a haven for your woodworking passion, a place where you can explore your skills and bring your woodworking visions to life. Go forth and create.